Welcome to Lotus Ridge by Ryan Homes, a breathtaking community in Moyock, North Carolina, where peaceful rural living meets unbeatable convenience. Offering stunning 1-acre home sites, this is where space, comfort, and location come together perfectly. I'm Sean, and I can't wait to show you around and share with you everything that Lotus Ridge has to offer. Your dream home is calling, and it's closer than you think. First, the homes. They are truly special. Lotus Ridge features beautifully designed ranch-style homes with main-level living, perfect for those looking for convenience and open, spacious layouts. Whether you're hosting family, working from home, or enjoying everyday comfort, these floor plans make life feel effortless. But the home sites are the real star. Every home site is on 1 acre, giving you privacy, breathing room, and the freedom to enjoy outdoor living your way. Choose home sites that offer wooded backdrops for peaceful privacy, ponds with sunset views, or proximity to community amenities. No matter which one you choose, you'll get the setting that feels like your own oasis. I'll help you pick the perfect one that fits your needs. Now let's talk location, because it doesn't get better than this. Lotus Ridge is ideally located right near the Virginia state line, giving you quick access to all your Hampton Roads favorites, while still enjoying the lower taxes of North Carolina living. Everyday conveniences in Chesapeake, like Greenbrier, Grassfields, and Edinburgh, make your familiar favorites just minutes away. Spend evenings at Virginia Beach Town Center, catch concerts at Virginia Beach Amphitheater, the Dome, or the Sandler Center, and make a quick trip to the oceanfront, all a roughly 30-mile drive. Local Moyock favorites include barbecue from Southland, pizza night at Moyock Pizza Kitchen, or shop produce at the Moyock Farmers Market or Powell's Market. From family activities to date nights to weekend getaways, Lotus Ridge has places all within reach. Commuting is a breeze, with easy access to Suffolk and Norfolk Naval Base, downtown Elizabeth City. Whether you're commuting, shopping, working, or just having fun, you're always just minutes from where you need to be. Finally, let's talk the amenities. Life at Lotus Ridge comes with thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces that bring neighbors together and make every day more enjoyable. Families will love open spaces for kids to safely run and play. Pet owners can take advantage of the dedicated dog park. For friendly competition, the bocce ball courts offer a fun way to unwind. The network of walking trails weaves throughout the community, perfect for morning jogs, evening strolls, or simply just taking in the natural surroundings. Lotus Ridge offers the peaceful, open feel of quiet living while still being incredibly close to everything you need. With spacious homes, big yards, and beautiful surroundings, this is a community designed for relaxation, privacy, and everyday convenience. The value you get here is unmatched. If you're dreaming of a home with room to breathe inside and out, Lotus Ridge is the perfect place. Take the next step and sign up today. Your acre of possibilities awaits.